All right, welcome back to Spanish Made Simple. If you've ever felt confused, frustrated, or even annoyed by Spanish grammar, today's episode is for you.
Because today we're tackling one of the biggest pain points for English speakers learning Spanish.
Ser versus estar.
Two verbs that both mean to be, but are used very differently.
And if you've ever asked yourself, why can't Spanish just have one to be like English, you're not alone.
By the end of this episode, you're not just going to memorize rules, you're going to understand when to use ser and when to use estar.
And more importantly, you'll finally feel confident using them when you speak.
Here's the thing, using the wrong one doesn't just sound a little off.
It can completely change the meaning of what you're saying.
Or make it sound confusing.
Or sometimes even awkward.
So today, we're going to break this down slowly, clearly, and practically, like we're talking over coffee.
Before we dive into rules, let's start with the big idea. In Spanish, ser is used for things that are more permanent or defining.
And estar is used for things that are more temporary or changeable.
That's the foundation. Not perfect, but powerful.
Let's repeat that together. Ser, permanent or defining. Estar, temporary or changeable.
We use ser for identity, who you are. For example, soy Daniel. That means I am Daniel.
That doesn't change. That's your identity.
Another one, ella es mi hermana. That means she is my sister.
Ser is also used for where you're from.
Soy de México. That means I am from Mexico.
Or somos de Estados Unidos. We are from the United States.
Ser is used for jobs and roles. Soy maestro. That means I am a teacher.
Even if you change jobs one day, at this moment, it's still defining.
Ser is also used for time. Son las tres. That means it's 3 o'clock.
Dates, too. Hoy es lunes. Today is Monday.
And prices. Es caro. It's expensive.
This is where many people get confused.
With ser, personality traits describe who someone is. Él es amable. That means he is kind.
That's part of his character.
Now, let's talk about estar. We use estar for location.
Estoy en el café. That means I am at the cafe.
The cafe didn't become part of your identity. You're just there right now.
Estar is used for how you feel.
Estoy cansado. That means I am tired.
Tomorrow, you might not be.
Estoy feliz. I'm happy.
Estar is also used for physical states.
La comida está caliente. That means the food is hot.
It won't always be hot.
El hotel está lleno. That means the hotel is full.
Tomorrow, it might not be.
This is where things get interesting.
Because sometimes the adjective stays the same, but the meaning changes depending on ser or estar. Ser aburrido versus estar aburrido.
Él es aburrido. That means he is boring.
That's who he is.
Él está aburrido. That means he is bored.
Ser listo versus estar listo.
Ella es lista. She is smart.
Ella está lista. She is ready.
Ser malo versus estar malo.
El café es malo. The coffee is bad quality.
El café está malo. The coffee has gone bad. Here's a simple question you can ask yourself. Is this describing who or what something is? Use ser.
Is this describing how something is right now? Use estar.
It's not about memorizing rules. It's about meaning.
If this episode finally made ser and estar click for you,
Make sure you subscribe to Spanish Made Simple.
we break down Spanish the way people actually learn. Calm, clear, and practical.
And in the next episode, we'll take this knowledge and use it in real-life conversations.
Gracias por escuchar.
We'll see you in the next one.